Oh, I love that. Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Oh How Precious, and that is by Kathy Taylor, and that's in the key of B flat. And this song was requested by Cameron Wilkins. Thank you so much, Cameron, for giving us such an awesome song for us to work on today. We're going to have fun with it. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of B flat. That's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have the great Kathy Taylor in the building. She's coming through to bless us with her awesome vocals on today. And we're going to do as usual. We're going to stretch them out. And I think we're ready. Let's receive Kathy Taylor with Oh How Precious. That was Oh How Precious by Kathy Taylor. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with... Let me give you all of that. So we're starting out with the 3, walking up to the 4. Right here on the 5, we're playing our B flat major chord. Now we're doing this little riff. All right, so all that is we're going 3, 5. Right there on the 6, we're playing this big chord right here. It's like a sus type chord. We resolve with this chord. This is our B7 flat 5 chord. We're going to hit our E flat 6 chord on the 2 twice. Then we walk up. All right, what is that? So we're playing on the 2, we're playing the E flat 6, just an octave higher. We're going up to the 3, that's a B flat major chord. Going up to our C minor chord on the 4. Ah, yes, right here it changes to this nice, beautiful chord. We're on the G flat major chord and we're on the 6 flat. Going up to our 7 flat, regular A flat major chord. Then we resolve on the B flat major chord on the 1. We're doing this cool walk up. Let me give you that. 3, 4, 5 flat. We're going to our B flat major chord on the 5. All I did was I played an E flat major chord going to our D minor chord, C minor chord, end on the 1, regular B flat major chord. So we start out with when you're lonely and your heart is filled with despair. All right, let me give you that. So that's just a B flat major on the 1. We're going up to our 3. This is a beautiful G flat 7 flat 5 chord. We're resolving on a 6 and we're playing our B flat 7 chord. We're going right here to our F diminished 7 chord, staying right there on the 6. All right, we're going to our 2. Now we played this chord earlier. This is our E flat 6 chord. And then we're going to our 5, same E flat 6 chord. And then we kind of do that same thing all over again. God cares for you. Let me give you that. We're going God cares. We're on the 2. We're playing our B flat major chord, going to the C minor chord for you. All right, what did I do? I just walked down from the 1 to the 7 to the 7 flat, and we're playing that G flat 7 flat 5 chord. Resolve on the 6 flat with this beautiful chord here, and we just start over. This is where it changes up right here. We're going to our 1. This is an A flat 7 chord. Going to our 5. Same A flat 7 chord, just inverted. Now, easy, all we did was we just repeated the same phrase. Okay, so what are we doing? We're going B flat major on the 1. Going to our 2, that's a C minor chord. Beautiful. That's our G diminished 7 on the 3 flat. Going to our 3. And that's like almost like a B flat dominant 7, but we're just playing it on a 3. And then we do it again. So I do this nice little pass right here. That's the 5 flat. And we're playing this nice D augmented chord. Let me give you that. So we're on the 4, E flat major chord. That's a G flat 7 chord right there on the 7 flat. Resolve on our 6 flat. Going to our B flat major chord on the 5. All right, so all I'm doing is I'm playing my sister chords. That's B flat major chord, C minor chord, B flat major chord, going right back to the B flat major chord, going to our C major chord, resolving on the 5 flat, and then we're playing our 4, and we're playing this nice beautiful E flat diminished 7 chord, and then we just go right back to the beginning. Oh, how precious. This is what we learned earlier. That's the beginning, right? All right, so the next part is, oh, how precious is the name of Jesus. All right, let me give you that. All right, guys, all I'm doing is I'm playing my sister chords, right? That's the B flat major chord. And we're going to the C minor chord. Very popular in gospel. So we're going. All right, let me give you that pass. So we're on the 6. That's a B flat major chord. Going down to our 6 flat. That's an A major chord. Going down to our 5. And that's an A flat major chord. Resolve with this B flat 13 chord. Yeah, we learned this chord before. A beautiful chord. All right, so all I did was I went to the 4. That's the E flat major chord. Going to our 5, same E flat major chord. Resolving on the 1, B flat major chord. Then we do our beginning again. All right, let me give you that pass. All we're doing is going what we learned earlier. Yeah, the G flat 7 flat 5. And then we're going to our 6, and that's a B flat 7 chord. Now it's this thing I like to do. Sound real gospely, right? All right, let me give you all that. So we're going We're on a 2, and we're playing this C dominant 7 chord. You see that? We change our chord up to this big chord. That's the B flat F C in the right hand, and we're on a 3. All right, you see it just going up. The middle is going up. That's the B flat F sharp C, and we're on a 4. Going right back to our C dominant 7 on the 5 flat. Then we're going to our F7 on the 5. What is that? That's a G7. G dominant 7 on the 6. Yeah, keep going on up. That's the 7 flat, and we're playing the A flat 7. A flat dominant 7, I should say. Now we're going to our A dominant 7 on the 7. Then we're going to our 1, and that's just a regular B flat dominant 7. So they're doing this nice little pass. All right, let me give you that. So it's kind of churchy, right? Or bluesy, either one. So all we're doing is we're on the 1. We're playing our B flat dominant 7. Going to our E flat major on the 3. Going right back to our B flat dominant 7 on the 5. Going back to our E flat major chord on the 6. And if you notice, we're just playing 2 chords. Then we're going right back to the 1, and we're playing that B flat dominant 7. So we do that twice. Right here on the 4, this is where it changes up at. We're playing our E flat dominant 7 chord. And then we're going to the 6, we're playing our C minor chord. Going right back to that E flat dominant 7 on the 1. Going right back to the C minor chord on the 2. Now right here we're just spelling out a E diminished 7 chord in the left hand. That's the 5 flat, the 6, the 1, and the 3 flat. And then guys, we just go back to the beginning of the song. Alright guys, I hope that was a blessing for you. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is own your part. I remember a time when I was younger. Just a regular day playing outside with my next door neighbor. Somehow we got into a fist fight. But to this day, I still don't remember what started it. I ended up hitting him and ran back into the house, laughing like it was all over. But it wasn't. A few minutes later, the doorbell rang. I opened the door and there he was, standing there with a knife in his hand, saying, "Come on out." I didn't say a word. I just slammed the door in his face. Later that day, I told my mom about what happened. I told her about the fight and about the knife, but I didn't tell her that I hit him first and ran inside. His mom found out about the knife, scolded him, and made him come over and apologize to me. Looking back, I realized I wasn't completely innocent. I left out the part of the story that made me accountable. I started something, but didn't take full ownership of how it began. And it nearly turned into something much worse. The lesson is easy. It's easy to tell the part of the story that paints us in a better light. Owning your part doesn't make you weak. It shows maturity and can help prevent things from escalating beyond control. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and learning with me. Thank you for your time. And also, Cameron, thank you for that awesome request. Please request more. Guys, this is the time of the video. I tell you that we are on the road to. Yep, I heard somebody say it, 1 million. We're on the road to 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if numerical melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. And guys, feel free to hit that bell, because when you hit that bell, a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yeah, they tell me it takes like 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. I believe it does. I want you to believe it as well. 3, 2, 1. Damn, I see you just hit that subscribe and you just hit the bell. Thank you so much. You have just made my day, my month, my year. Guys, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.